when you log into Wonders, this is what your main screen should look like. If you were to go to My Binder and My Work, this right here is the one you want for your reading writing companion when you are listening to things. So you are on that, we're going to launch it. And then here's the cover. If you scroll through slowly, here is a picture of a natural disaster. And this is just one example, but this is one of the things that we're going to be talking about as we read. If I push the talk button, it will read something to me. You can't hear it because I am talking, but it will do that. And then I want you to come over here. Natural disasters are events such as hurricanes, earthquakes, floods, or forest fires. These events cause a huge crisis in a community. I want you to look at this picture and write down one thing in each one of these on how you could help a natural disaster or how people might respond.